A very special good evening to all of you. I, on behalf of BJP Mizoram, welcome each and every one of you to this very special program for BJP Mizoram. First of all, I want to acknowledge the presence of our outgoing Speaker of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly, Sri Lalrinliana Sailo, who is in our midst, who has taken the most decisive and boldest decision for the sake of BJP Mizoram and for the love of the state of Mizoram. I also want to acknowledge the presence of Philip Maui John, who is a businessman who just joined BJP a few hours ago. Can you kindly show your face? Yeah. BJP Mizoram heartily welcomes him to our family. Once again, we are privileged to have BJP's stalwart and senior-most and most dynamic leader of the BJP from Nagaland, our Deputy Chief Minister, Sri Y. Patton ji. Sir, please. Who has come second time in 1 week's time, and he will be with us till the end of election. He'll be coming, going and coming. I will also like to acknowledge our friend Dr. Numal Momin, who is the Deputy Speaker of Assam Assembly, who has been touring the length and breadth of Mizoram to support the growth of BJP in Mizoram. And I want to mention that he is the only Christian MLA from Assam State Assembly in the BJP. Of course, without the blessing and umbrella of the party, we cannot move ahead. We are lucky that Sri Rituraj ji has not only come, but has gone to every nook and corner of Mizoram, has been working very hard so that all the faces of BJP Karyakarta will smile from morning till night. So we are very grateful for all the hard work he has done and for his presence again today. Today, as I have already mentioned, is a special day. I want to once again acknowledge the decision of Sri Lalrinliana Sailo for the love of Mizoram, as we said, as he has rightly taken the best decision for BJP in Mizoram. This will not only strengthen the hand of BJP in Mizoram, but his popularity in Mizoram is well known and people know him to be upright, senior, dedicated leader for the state of Mizoram, and his presence will definitely, his entry will definitely help in the growth of the party in the state. With this, I want to call the program to order by invoking God's presence in our midst. I want to invite Sri Christopher Loon, our State Secretary, to pray for all of us.
Let's bow down our heads to God in prayer. Tong tayang om. Lalpa kan pathian min hungai tu. Ni thar dom tak min pe a. Pun thatak min pe a. Voina hian lalpa. Bharatiya Janata Party chuan. Hem hun a hian hun poi mo tak kan mang don ni a. Kan hun ban te min man puila. Kan ti turte takan ti thene turin nang man min puila. Kan ma Hiram Mizoram Roreal na tu ra choi tu turte hanna election kan e tu apo he party hinang man imal som na kai suya Hiram hen ham tan he party imal soma mal som na thlen tu party kan jel thel turin khongai kan dila ikura kan thana ni boina hian kan jinga midom tak tak he party ron zoma ron lu tu te lu tu stepo nang mai malmin som sakla hetang din mun poimo taka ko atanga helai mun ron pana he party ron zom tu tur Pu Lalrinliana Sailo po at he na te nang man he party tal he ram le he namtan nang man sakla alpa kan kaljel na tura ikong ay nakulak nin lana nang man kan mamin ruela he party hi bitam takden ringlo mi te party mo in ngay chatlo na tam tak po an ni juteng kara po tan kenin he party hen pason na lalparin chana kala he ramle namta na thok tu tur kan ni ti hi kay mani ho po min buat saila juteng tur chuan kan zawai thinlunga boinan thu soyang che ti chuan kan ram kan nam son tuin he party le voina kan til ti tur zong yong te malmin som sang che kan hun abul changa top khenga min kai soi turin min chandam tu kalal pai su krista min garon dil che amen.
I would like to invite Dr. Sri Numal Momin, Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, to give a short speech and welcome our speaker to our party.
Very good afternoon to all of you. My friend and rescuer in 2016, my first MLA election in Bukajan, and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland, Pu Patton ji, my friend and colleague, Mr. Kikanji, our most respected and visionary leader of India and the co-in-charge of MIZORAM, my brother Rituraj Sinhaji, and senior-most BJP leaders on the dais, respected media person, and all my brothers and sisters of BJP Mizoram Pradesh. Very good afternoon to all of you. Namaskar. Salam. In Garo language, good afternoon, namaskar means salam. So I used to say salam. And we are very much happy to welcome Mr. Sailoji, the ex-speaker of Mizoram, to the largest political party in the world, the BJP Mizoram. Election is very near. We have to fight together. Last time, BJP won only one seat. That BJP cadres' mind are not stable here now. They are afraid how many seats we can win. What will be the fate of BJP in Mizoram? After Manipur incident, the people's mind is very much disturbed. But we are BJP. We are in a party where our leader is Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He is leading from the front to development in all around India, as well as become the top leader of the world. We should not be afraid of anything. Only this election will fight for the development plank. Yes, opposition will criticize us. BJP is anti-Christian. Let them criticize. That is their motto only. Because opposition cannot fight election with the motto of development of Mizoram. The way the previous government worked, the way Congress government worked in Mizoram, we can see the example. The roads are very pathetic conditions. The poor are not getting their dues. So this is the time we have to change the government in Mizoram. Unless and until we work together, whatever the differences we have amongst ourselves, forget about it and let us join hand in hand to make Mizoram BJP win this election. Although this opposition is criticizing BJP that we are anti-Christian, but what is really in practical? Our leader, Narendra Modi ji, when Israel was attacked by Hamas, immediately our leader, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, supported Israel. This is the greatest evidence of BJP that they are really a pro-Christian, not anti-Christian. The Jerusalem where our Christ was born, that area for the protection, our Prime Minister is helping Israel. What more evidence they require that BJP is not anti-Christian, they're pro-Christian. But our leaders, they fail to say these things. Now onwards, I believe that with the induction of our Sailo ji, last week also we came, that Dr. Bishwaji and this political advisor of former Chief Minister Pu Yanthungo ji, they have joined and it boosted up our BJP party. Many more will come. Rituraj ji came to induct our Sailo ji. From this evening, you will see that flow of the other political leaders will come to BJP. And this time, I have a strong belief that with the blessings of God, BJP will take a very much lead in Mizoram to form this next government. For this, we have to work together. Then I am here from Assam, that throughout the election, I'll be here to help our candidate. Whoever will get candidate, I am least bothered about that. But I am bothered about our candidate, how can make him win. From Assam, our Chief Minister will also help the BJP to win. I am also there. Many more leaders will come to campaign for BJP Mizoram. Don't feel alone. Don't feel that you are isolated. You are very much in the core of the heart of BJP. In Northeast BJP, together we'll work and win this election. With these few words, I would like to congratulate our Sailo ji for coming and having faith in the largest political party of the world, that is BJP. God bless you. Good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Mominji, for your inspiring message. Before I give the time to Sri Y. Pattonji for the induction of Sri Lalrinliana Sailo to BJP, the formal induction, I want to mention 2 points. When I first took over as Prabhari Mizoram, after campaigning with Kiren Rijijuji in the Lai Autonomous District Council election, I had come to Aizawl and the first politician I had met was our Sailo ji. He said one thing which still remained with me, and this was some 3 years ago, more than 3 years ago. His respect for Modi ji has grown manyfold because of his priority of the development of Northeastern region. It stayed with me. I believe that respect and love he had for our Prime Minister had inspired him to join the BJP today. Second point, this is election season in Mizoram. We have already said that when election season comes, there will be political earthquake in Mizoram. One has already happened. Former senior minister of BJP, MNF, has joined BJP. Now the Speaker of the Assembly himself, is joining BJP. If this is not political earthquake in Mizoram, what is it? These are the two thoughts I want to share with you. I want to give time to our Deputy CM Nagaland, Sri Y. Pattonji, to formally induct our Sri Sailo ji, and after induction, continue with his speech for this event. I want to, for the induction, I want to invite Sri Rituraj ji as well and Sri Sailo to please come and accept. Wait. Wait, no. Let's take a photo. You come in. Chalo. Thank you.
Chairperson of today's training program, who is also in charge of MIZORAM, National Spokesperson, Sri M. Kigun, my respected BJP leaders, Karigadas, friends from the media, my beloved sisters and brothers present here. It is indeed a significant occasion for the Mizoram unit of the Janata Party, as we welcome highly respected, accomplished, and senior leader of Mizoram, Sri Lalrinliana Sailo ji, into our party. To spell out his name, it took me half an hour, but I can now clearly spell out his name. Lalrinliana Sailo, isn't it? Sri Lalrinliana Sailo ji is a veteran leader, legislator with rich political experience. Spanning decades, he has served the people of the state with great dedication and ability. As a cabinet minister, he has credibility handled important portfolios. As the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, he led the House effectively, earning him much admiration from members across party lines. Now, I take it today's program as a red letter day for BJP Mizoram. His joining to the party fold. I hope and pray that in the days to come, we will work, Nagaland and Mizoram will work together, being a Christian state. Nagaland also, 99% of the populations are Christian, same like Mizoram. So, we will do our best to bloom, to have BJP government in Nagaland and Mizoram in the coming days. We want to bloom lotus in the Christian state. For the last two tenures in Nagaland, two-term 10 years, where BJPs are alliance with regional parties. So in the last election also, I came here for campaign in 2018. I cover more than 1,600 kilometers by road. इतना खराब रास्ता है. I want to see those roads, whether that is changed or not. I came here, and I will be here. I will concentrate in few constituencies. Till polling, I'll be in MIZORAM, not in Aizawl, in MIZORAM. We should not stay here in Aizawl. We should go to our respective constituency and support our candidates. Here, I just want to appeal our ticket seekers who are asking for BJP ticket. In your constituency, there may be 2, 3 ticket seekers, BJP ticket seekers, who are asking for BJP ticket. Those who don't get BJP ticket, please don't run away from BJP. You should support the candidate whom ticket is given to he or she. If you are a real soldier of BJP, whoever gets the ticket, you should support. That is my appeal to all of you here. As mentioned by our Dr. Deputy Speaker of Assam, Dr. Momin, in the recent incident, people say, we BJPs are anti-Christian. Who are those people? Let them come to me. I'll give a befitting reply. This time, when Israel was attacked by Hamas, terrorists, we are the first country to declare support of Israel. Now, Congress, they are against supporting our Christian Israel. They are not supporting. They are opposing. They are supporting terrorists. So our MIZORAM people voting Congress, you want to become a terrorist? Why I say this? For the last 15 years, we know the character, the activities, the mentalities of the Congress. So Nagaland, for the last 15 years, not a single MLA is elected. Congress MLA is elected. We have finished them. नागालैंड में 15 साल हो गया, एक कांग्रेस एमएलए नहीं. I came to know only from MIZORAM that there is Congress in MIZORAM. नागालैंड में तो कांग्रेस तो कहा गया मालूम नहीं हम लोग. I came to know that Congress party is in India, only in MIZORAM. See, during our neighboring state who got Rajya Sabha MP, no other than Dr. Manmohan Singh. He was Prime Minister of India for 10 years, 2 terms. Did he ever visited MIZORAM? Nagaland, we are never to his Assam state. He did not visit even once. Prime Minister मनमोहन सिंह एक दफा भी नागालैंड नहीं देखा, उसका चेहरा हम लोग नहीं देखा है. So why should we go for Congress? They are trying to finish our Christians. They are the anti-Christian, not BJP. We must, from today onwards, we must say that Congress are anti-Christian. So I appeal To all the PTB workers and media friends, even our media friends also, please join PJP and say that Congress are inexistent. As we know, Mizoram will soon go to the polls. Your election polling will be on 7th. This is an important juncture in the state history. There is a strong desire amongst the common people for better development, more job opportunity, and accelerated progress for bringing about the winds of positive change in Mizoram. That positive change can bring only by BJP party, no other political party. The Bharatiya Janata Party is the only national party with a proven track record of good governance and development offer the best option. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, the BJP government at the center has implemented a number of historic schemes that have directly benefited the poorer citizens across the length and breadth of India. Be it in the Jan Dhan Yojana for financial inclusion, the Udaan Yojana for providing free LPG connection to the poor households, the Ayushman Bharat scheme for health insurance coverage, or the PM Awas Yojana for housing. The poor have immensely gained under this welfare program. Schemes like Make in India, Startup India, Digital India, and a renewed focus on manufacturing and infrastructure building have created abundantly job opportunity to the youth. In Mizoram too, as the BJP expands its footprints, we will prioritize infrastructure development projects to improve connectivity across the state, skill development and training program will strengthen to make the Mizo youth ready for 21st century jobs. The BJP will work towards universal coverage of central welfare schemes so that the benefit reaches every disadvantaged citizens. Recognizing the immense tourism potentials of Mizoram, we will take steps to ensure that more tourists from India and abroad visit the state to enjoy the natural beauty and experience its enriched, rich cultural heritage. Dear sisters and brothers, the time has come for Mizoram to progress rapidly on the path of inclusive development. The BJP seeks your blessing and support to fulfill this vision of a prosperous Mizoram. Following the principle of Sabka Sat, Sabka Vikas, we will carry everyone together on this journey. In conclusion, I sincerely thank our party national president, Sri J.P. Nadda ji, and our national secretary, co-coordinator of Northeast, Sri Rituraj ji, for bringing our most respected senior leader, Sri Sailo ji, into BJP Mizoram. I once again warmly welcome Sri Lalrinliana Sailo tea into the PJ family. From today, you will become younger. I have completed my political career. I have contested 8 times. I have completed 40 years. My first contest was in 1982, before you were all born. But after joining BJP, Lotus Party, I still feel that I'm sweet 16. I'm 67 years now. Do I look like 67 years? No. Even if you say that, I'll not agree. So from today onwards, our former speaker, who is with us today in BJP party, after election, he may become even younger to me. Because we are surely to, BJP is surely to bloom BJP party in MIZORAM. So with these few words, I once again thank all the participants, brothers and sisters, BJP Karikatas, and anytime you will not meet me in Aizawl. I will be in the interior area. If you need my service, anytime you are most welcome. Please don't come to meet me in Aizawl. I will not be here. We'll be contesting in the interior area. We'll have to work. If we really want to elect our BJP candidate, we should work hard and soul. So with these few words, anytime you are most welcome. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your lively, interesting, and inspiring speech. We are encouraged and inspired by your presence. There is, before we give time to Sri Sailo ji, there is one more thing we want to do. I thought we'll do it in the beginning, but since there will be one speech after the other, I want to take a small moment so that we'll be refreshed before the speaker speaks. I like to call out the names of our own leaders. Kindly stand up wherever you are and accept bouquet as a token of love from the party. Sri Rituraj ji. Sit. डॉक्टर नुमान मोमिन जी और ले लो our Deputy CM Sri Y Patton ji. Okay, just from the Mahila side. Yeah. Since you are 16th, our Pu Philip. Thank you. I give the time to our most honored newest member of the BJP MIZORAM, Sri Lalrinliana Sailo.
Thank you, Mr. Kikowanji, respected Chairman. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland, Pattonji, 16 years who induct me in the BJP party today. Honorable Deputy Chief, Deputy Speaker of Assam, Dr. Lawmluh, respected National Secretary, Mr. Rituraji, and leaders of BJP in MIZORAM, everybody here in the party of his today. I wish you all the best. I am happy indeed to be a new member of BJP in MIZORAM, and I am happy indeed by the Christian leader of Nagaland. If you look at on the dais, all are Christians. So I'm happy and full confident in the future to come for the betterment of MIZORAM and the party as well. Ole. Bueno, BJP ya kanan lut ani ah. Ingat ini BJP ay lut izona hi tamle maya. BJP ay hianin MIZORAM kan milar le miming thatak tak lai mithiam tepo anlo umtriu towa. MIZORAM na po Professor te, Central Wayme President te, le MIZORAM tak tak, Wayne po hian, BJP ya te hi, MIZORAM tak tak te, aniya. Chudi chung chuan, BJP mudan hi MIZORAM asir he lek lek ah. Amai ro chu Congress. Kha MIZORAM andam dim tirvel lai khanin vaipol ti in min an in ten siaga ka hian reng chu pulo huthanga minister zawm tak thin kha po kha mami bial lam khothang lamakal khanin vaipol ti in ding puino de po kha nei manglavin ho turpo khe manglavin ruate anlo sasak aniye antia pase nuwa chonin late lo pianga are vaipol minti mo vai bu pai ai thu thu eng wangnge kan congress lo le mangle antia chutiang de chuan voine henen tha tuna india march hi state parade kan ye in thiat ta in chu the state police any ring to Christian te tamna ania any dia march jong so henin NDA BJP sarkar an effect ani chu bangin tu da hian karil rulian berzok le ka jom chan chu MIZORAM economy kan ena 15 Finance Commission report kan ena sumle pai man turi kat jasam ta le mai nakuma chuan athlem le zualdona nakum le 2025 to 26 a pechonen man tur kan nei mangdon lowa Bible sizanga or chu kha recommendation a khanin revenue chu deng chu kan di to wangin engtin nge kan omang kan sarkar na dokten engtin nge don la kang developmental process engtin nge kalang chu wangin NDA hi kumsom ni don chu ala sarkar karinga min of don thau chu wangin Central Sarkar nena an mani ling nilawa an thokui kan ni khangai ni chu bangin zoram mangai na jok awangin BJP hian kalu dani ti kan sai dani mason na kan ngai poi mutlang triba tin nimin lama kan soya medical college ZMC hi kay ma ku chuak ve liu ka tingama sang hile pakwa January ni saria health minister in charge kaniya charge kala office te garanti fela kichuan kar khat nuwa January di sompali sang hile pakwa khanin referral hospital mun kha kabat lo tani medical college thengin kan tia tiang chuan anu kar di nuwa January ni somni le pasaria dile ka kalngala chuanin ramado sa health minister in the central kan soi ngala chuan nuwa gulam nabi azhar kha health minister niya so medical college nei nan chuan voi som le pakhat ka thok chuak ve ni ahu nununga khan khor zari somriat kan peng che nin tia tiang chuan kan nuwa minister thatak khan ron chunjom zela medical college kan leya kalom vong mai ni kalom veng ani ma se medical college so tuna chuan Bible sisa chuang eu mai kumtin mai kan se na ngai ta lumina kan budget kan provision akhan Bible sisa chuang ol to mai ne chuan khata lang Lawmluh kha tam tak phi kan mang bel Bible sisa som nga bel tin doctor pakhatin nin chu tiang chu kan ram state din hun sum le pa hianin akin lo mai dona central how to den hena hei medical college min lak sak thei chuan karan lu tang katia kan lang an ti ta ni tin in fiat angin border trade international trade apoi mo le ma kei mani budgetary provision kei mani budget chu ka poisa ngang ho te chuan MIZORAM in en kol na le sang kana tu le ma so na tu hi a om falua lo ni chu wangin adang hi ngai ta MIZORAM a bright tak businessman te tin no bang thatak tak le no bang zok te an lo chho zela chu me te ta na kong sa tu ni kha angai ni chu wangin border trade kan thei to pin kan tianga an ti a land custom season rang theng berin kan sang ten integrate check post te po kan tiang an tia chu wangin ka lo mut mo nar mo vetin border trade rang theng berin ma kan lang an tia chu ba ka luom le ne male ro kei ve te lul thiam na te ro pu te nei lo medical college centrally dan lak chuan tu na kan doctor thatak tak le kan nurse thatak tak de ba ka khan super specialist an lo chabanga dam lo tan har sataka phaira makal ngai lovin heta yan kan medical college central medical college kanin entirin kanin engeni kanin ngat sei to na in zaina bungrua doctor le kan staff te bungrua alo puisu yanga staff an lo tamanga sei du tam le chu ringot po chu kaini na kan service vetan henin kan sacrifice ngam tu ren te tin tu na MIZORAM ta na good news pakhat chu tarik ninga October sang ni le som ni pani khan hey Dr. Numal ani po ring tu tlangwal ani ya 15 tlangwal Assam Chief Minister Pu Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ina ngay mấy cái pu del sana mi zo tlang val sim lam tlang val ar sieng ka tim maya mi bright tak tenen hian kan lenga ti chuan in hei pu enga te poi no ma khotlanga khuan puwa an ching na salheya tun main ser thum an chinga paisa tam tak an la lut thina an taima ma se lo tam ta tuna chuan puwa an chinga amaro chu foreign puwa te wangin kong alo pingta central lamin dan lawa kuvat tolte alo trek ta ti chuan kan kho thlang kuva ching tu tele a hal tu ten boinan tok ta ni kum khan vaibel che somli don kan cha ne kan lawe an ti ubina pohin vaibel che tam tak an chan an los le voin e kun ha dok tu ti tan kun ha dok tu mai tu ti tan khotlang big chaw ani lo kuva ching tu ti tan BJP party malak na BJP sarkar chuan Assam Chief Minister chuan Mizoram ku bachin chu pakhat mahar san tok lawin geta le khuthang lama in khal zar zar to ngati ni chu ringot o chu in pe tham min ga madi lam thil ani to ti chuan Assam and relation track kan nei nga kan fai tan hian a thadon nei i te kha kan soi do wa in thudik tak soi a choren u modi ya kai foi sarkar hi khowela world level po ain up so the same mem maya kan thiat lan kha khowel thiata nam zawm min aron choi chuak ta aminga health minister to kaloni ve bangin chete hian ngai tu na kalona nei kalona nei jui thina UPA sarkar kum som chung khan Dr. Risinga velek an to chuaka an zirtir chuakani mase NDA sarkar hian kum ko chung hian Dr. Nuai khan le sing khat chuang an zirtir chuakani to churingot po chu han compare ila han ngai to ila ain thau lu voine herein a big the kin northeast trade han entaila an development hi a zone he the zone a kalpur pur mai ni tero MNF kan ni thina in thia MNF angin NDA kan thokuya haira ma chuan an zuen kan ho tu den zu NDA ya ma se Mizoram an kudan kuang kualen kim kilesia no pa ta gin kan ni kan ni hok beng chu ka dia kan zum ta nei thalai tam da hin ron kal don engem bo inzir ti na kun lutuk mai dei thalai dan du to lo le khan thiam tuna kan honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland ring to pa pu Patton ron sei zo ta kha tin Assam Deputy Speaker zom tak pu Dr. Numal momin upon ron sei Israel voidan rumani any mizole Christian mizole Israel chu kan thia sei ngai no chu ti la ya modi na Israel lamtana Israel lamtanga an thu chuak thui mai dei mak tak ani in USA in ku ge net nei tha nei lo ya lau em ring tu te ni modi hianin athin tha ke chun chu bangin kan ngai to ne kan man atul tak le uben ka thia poi cái thì đâu mai chu Congress leader của Rahul Gandhi le an mani resolution a chuanin Israel tra lo zong en lo mi tu nei nan kal aba mak ve kan ho du den sai zo chi wale khalam chu ka choi khui lo bang ke chuan kan ram development chau hi ka ngai tun haya le pathian khong ai in national level meeting a takal kan hunga Meghalaya Shillonga kakala Assama kakala tin Arunachala kan kala Sikima Nagalena tin Himachal Pradesh Shimla kan kala Dehraduna kakala Jaipura Rajasthana kakala Mumbai kakala chunga kakala song zonga chuan kasot zela ke hian Congress MP te tin Congress Speaker tele MLA te kasota tunga sang ni le som ni pali hian sarkar na lang Congress tan hin chan so mem batia omlo an mani nge in angai na umri lo ani nge India alai heng hi nge katia an minga moi khop mai an state an holenga ti kharan zo ni der mai an ti chu bangin NDA BJP kai phoi sarkar hi another 20 years to come hi chu an la chak doni na langai tugin singa MCS officer lian takin miron phona right decision siam MIZORAM develop tur chuan NDA BJP angai som ni dang hen la sarkar ngai ron ti chu mi thiam te ngai da nai kan ho tu ten MIZORAM BJP ho tu ten an thei to kin nan lo thok ka appreciate thok mai tu na hian ma chop kan ne ya ei mi thar kan ne ya eng ma manifesto te kala khelo nain kan soi du chu BJP hi amai na sarkar do lo tu na hian thudik tak soi mai tha amaro chu BJP MLA te lo tu man sarkar lo BJP tel vedona ne chung hunah kan ho tu te ne na an soi tur le hoi mo karon chop lu ve do chu planning board system hi tu ne duplication ain board hu ang ka ti khop mai planning department oma planning board om le ole ha po ka kan la kal ni point planning board a chuan party du sa ne le wa kar ni lo at thiam mi thiam hi om ngai se ka ti khop mi thiam tak tak hi om se ka ti ngot mai ti chuan kan drap kal dan tur kan enang tin Central Medical College min lak sak don min huwa leng pui airport khu all India state ina leng pui airport anei ke mani chi gan ni we are the only state who has an airport in their own, bond of management. Chu India Rama state, India Ram state airport day, omsun kima chu. Kuda khud poisa kal same ege trula Airport Authority of India hian la seng chuan tuna kan police som sari lai mai leng pui airport ben him na le acheve la thok tu de khu angai to lo banga ti chuan airport chang thung tak centralina ron en ko langa tu ma ka ti chan lo tuna zorama phang luai kamru la te phim te poi lang to don lo ni eng ba ka he be lo kin chuan chu bangin airport hi kan MIZORAM officer lian te po hianin an soi thina hei hi Airport Authority of India hian lak an chak in an dua ba kha implement than dua kan officer te hian chung te pek hun chu an ha le me mani ku sum thinunu pakhat ane tin BJP kan lo sarkar chuan ka suang tu da pakhat vele chu Assembly House hi tuna kan omna building mega hi All India Assembly House te berani chip berani chubang chuan kalau sarkar di chuan pu amit sa te anju bianga kan ho tu te wi hianin Assam Rifle kharla son omtai la ta chuan Chief Minister Bangla chu omsa speaker in hoina mo minister jong le MLA jong le officer lian te ta chuan kan khung pom pekanga tuna Assembly House hi AMC nan nei thunganga ti chuan solai chuan ongoing security po tam tak he ti thanga police le sipai in dai lo kanin tlarla kanin deploy tam tak hingai lovin security gate po ka ongoing thatakin kan tinga zawm takin kan siamang so da chuanin MLA rule nen minister rule nen tin Assembly House nen sak kan tum don ai hei hi thang thar da poi bol tu rot mai chu diang te chuan pathian zara sarkar kan lo siam chuan kan ti don ani tin kong pui kan ria ma kan son tu rani tin central ina kan minister te local phone kan lo thiat ve thin chu project tam taka uma hei hi in implement thalo min ti thina ole kha ka chu ko soi dui lo ba ma se po chua tu ri ba tam em po chua tu ri lo ba tam em BJP sarkar lo tel ve to chuan central akhon committee thang oma board thang oma tin mason tur tam takama chunga chuan kan mizo thalai te mo ami thiam te mo kan retire dom tak pensioner teng de hi mo tu po mi thiam khang de kha board member ate poimo tak in lo manga chung chu kan ho tu de herin anin huamin ka ring ani min puyang ready po I helovin kan jukal ngam tawang kalom ve deuh na pakhat chu tua ke ve te lul mai aminga hetia BJP zone theinga min han ti hian central sarkar po a in honga a ngor nging ve dot nin min thila kan hodu te hian kalom thok chu wangin thian deu MIZORAM in financial crisis constraint an alien em har san alien alien em pathian mi tharau mi pakhatina ron soi chu hian ron ti Josepha kha aunau ten an khala endong le musitina oma ma se tram pui mi thian lo to chu da unau te tan khan mal som na ron ni a ai kupta supply minister aron ni chauta voine hian MIZORAM min sumle pai har san na to so kana dokte point lon la lo men ti lo rum khom na di mol kan om hi elai BJP lom tak te hian central tangin kan ho tu de sara ai kupta supply minister a indron ianga ka ramta din jai thok thei hin karing ani chu chu karon lu chon na pakda ega tinga BJP kher isom adikalom Jerusalem dundilen turkhan endinga Lebanon tlang cedar thinker khalak angai le BJP member te u nil ula tulzek zek ula Lebanon tlang cedar thinka anget kita cool je zek kami dan social point al social point kinlung na po di ula nget ula kul zek ula masya Jerusalem tundin len turkhan Lebanon tlang cedar thinga ai ne su diang di subo po chu kan lo di thei vereng asin boine hian zawm lo ula kan kalanga pathin zara tin kan rin na het phet don lo pa phet don chubain NDA Sarkar, BJP Sarkar, Indira ma khovel khida ro kuin aron chop chuka. Chu azar kan zo ve do dona ne. Tunai chakhian kan zo dona ne. Emele tamzo kan nei ngai karinga pathian zara. Chuan ko ri tu ngai ngai dona ne. Amma Khan ko Dr. Bidi Chakma te kha kan nei ve teng kenga mei chero ron chi ve ta vainen mi zo tlang wal mi zo nula te kan lo tin ve chuan thulam khun balom don em tero mak ta ka siam kan ni le hala zo fa de chu bang chuan panga tanga pariat ti chu kan nei ve ngai ga renga chuanin zoram mason nan real time in rala do thailo real time in rala do thailo eng din huna po zoram ding don ta se kan zoram hi kan lo roman felsa economic sa te tin infrastructure development ate nget ta kan lo sai atu rim chuwangin pathian zara kanan kal chawanga Mizoram state a kan ho tu duom tak te tin kan primary te tin central tenen kan thok khawanga he ram hi ram nuama ram ma so zoga kan siam nge ngayang ti ring tak me umani chuan khat yang ai tu khan kai ma din munani lo ram tan BJP karon jom chuwa chu tiang chuan karil ru poi a purin anghet le ni ti ka soi do ni before concluding my speech I am very happy to be here today. I hope with the help of central government and the leader of our party in the central and not these state leaders, we will make Mizoram better Mizoram. I hope after election is over, I think central minister will come and the prime minister himself also will come. He will announce if we are in a ministry, he will announce a big thing for the betterment of Mizoram. I hope so. We are work together. We will fight together. We will remember and we will honor the God, Almighty God. We will depend everything on Almighty God. Chu bangin vain hian kalima in thapun namo eng manailovin kanram tan tichobin karon lut ani e kalome.
Thank you, Pu Lalrinliana Sailo, for the most inspiring speech in the history of BJP Mizoram. I want to apologize to him. I said that by mistake that there is a political earthquake in Mizoram. I was wrong. After his speech, I realized now there is a political tsunami in Mizoram. The vote of thanks people expect to be very long, but I want to make it short and sweet. We have welcomed him warmly. We have listened to his powerful speech and message for the people of Mizoram. The message is for a better Mizoram. When I met him, he told me that he is a respected Christian, member of the church as well. So I thought that instead of asking a member of our BJP, all member of our BJP to say the benediction, as a senior political leader and also as a senior leader among us now, I want him to bless our campaign, to bless our electioneering with a powerful prayer. So instead of any one of us, I want to request Mr. Sailo to pray for the party and conclude the meeting. Sir, it's here. Benediction.
Oleh Pathian itong tengok. Lalpa kan Pathian mi khoi tu. Iwit bu lo hi eng naum lawa. Kan rilru te kan sidilung te irsa te kan lalpa. Helai local home te hi ikhiyat te kan ya. Lalpa BJP party chu Mizoram chuan party lian lo le party te alani. Amaro chu lalpa Mizoram din hunte siya sabit ka haso na ko nga te in enkol na thazo kanai thina turte in central support kan ngaya lalpa chumi tur chuan BJP khoi tu te hian an thito kin mano la be na amaro chu duangin ma son sinlo chuan lalpa tu na Mizoram sarkarin sumle pai har sadna atok ne ka kan sarkar na tok te point ahun taka lo alla pelo chuan har sadna kan tok suje don ni na langa lalpa tenga hian heram ti kan suram thang lo thar tur zel tena maso na lo huwa ram nu man ya lalpa nang ma heram man ya ram bolna te maso na kalu ne zel thina turin ram in todel liangai ni kimi durjun central support angaya centrala BJP sarkara NDA kai huai chak takina kala anmadi party tene na thokhoba sarkar ne na thokhoba Mizoram sarkar ne na lalpa thoklanga hun manzel kan du kan tumani lalpa kan thilung ria visualte daisualte people te kan nei thia amaro chuan vai hian heng kan hena ring lo tu om te poi heng ang rin na lama e mari che ji atang tele kan ril ru atanga to khau zel tur le an mani te po kan lamaron tang jok turin kan duin kan ngenin le kan tong trai kan vai hian tharau min thoila he party hian mi poi soi lawa BJP hian zoram mason nan mi poi de tan chuan a tok te turin a thok tu de zong po buat saila mani in phata lalpa nang malam theta da hoita ta oma chu tianga rong bol tur chuan min chella ril ru le tak sa hisel na tha min pein na thok thein min siamang che kan ti solte min ngai dam la hengi lali suam min kan di le